Good day everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. To do that, launch your Google Maps. Then come to this icon, which is a profile icon. Click on it. Then scroll down and come to settings. Then scroll down. Come to navigation settings. Click on it. Here, if you see sound and voice, you can see mute state. Instead of muted, change it to unmuted. Click on it. Then guidance voice or guidance volume, change it to louder. And once you set this, the navigation voice should be enabled by this. Then if it is not still working, try to uncheck this play voice over Bluetooth. But once you set it as unmuted and louder, it should be able to enable navigation voice. I hope this tutorial is helpful to somebody. Like this video and subscribe.